How to link BattleNet and your Steam account together within some seconds on your PC or on your mobile phone. For this, I will open my browser in front of me and search for battle.net to open my BattleNet website in front of me. And this is the website. You have to simply click on this website and sign into your BattleNet account with your email ID and your password. After doing it successfully, what you have to look out is simply check your profile here, and there is a lot of option to thing setting. Click on the right top of the screen, and as you can see, this is my profile name and account setting. On the account overview page, here I can see my BattleNet balance, account details, subscription, security, and connections. You have to click on the connection button here. Scroll down and check you can connect how many applications to it. You can connect your Xbox, Steam, Twitch, Google account from here. If I want to add my Steam network to this, I will click on the right of the Steam connect option, then continue this, where you have to enter your Steam network ID and your Steam password. Please remember that you're entering the correct details so you can connect it in a very short time. Click on the continue, sign into your Steam account, and then successfully connect these two official sites.